In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Shopify's 3 months free trial, which is currently the best deal being offered by Shopify. The first step is to go to the direct link I listed below in the description, and it will directly take you to this page. And as you can see, you're able to sign up for a free trial and enjoy 3 months of Shopify for $1 a month. So you would just need to enter your email address and click on Start Free Trial. You can create a password here and click on Create Shopify Account. And then here you would just need to enter your payment information in order to lock in the special deal. So you can use your credit or debit card, or if you prefer, you can use PayPal. And when you're done, you would just need to enter some information about your business, and don't worry too much about this because all the information that you enter can be changed later. So for this, I would just pick an online store, click on Next. It's for a new business. And I will choose products I buy or make myself. Click on Next. And then you'll be taken to your Shopify dashboard. So that's how you get a Shopify 3 months free trial.